Norman? I've got to go to the hardware store. Room 12 really needs work.
Room 12. Yeah.
We're expecting guests soon. So take care of them, okay?
Yes. Room 12.
Thanks. Hi.
Hi.
Hello?
Hello?
Anybody there?
Sorry. Hi. May I help you?
Yes, we have reservations, Quincy, Ed, and Michelle, for 2 nights.
Yes, Mr. Quincy. You're in room 12. May I help you with your luggage?
Oh, no, we're okay. We're just staying 2 nights. We don't have a lot of luggage.
All right, well, I'll show you the way to your room. Follow me. Oh, watch that floorboard. It's loose. Be careful. Here's the temperature control. Press this button for air conditioning. This button to turn on the heat. Adjust the temperature with this dial. Bathroom's right in there. My name is Norman. Give me a call if you need anything.
He was strange. We just got here and I'm already feeling stressed out.
Hey, does it feel cold in here to you?
Yeah? Hey, look. It's stuck.
I'm gonna turn on the heat. This thing's broken.
I'll call the front desk. Norman, we have a window that needs to be fixed, and the heat needs to be checked too. Okay? Thanks. He's on his way.
That was nice of him.
I still think he's strange. That was quick.
Hi.
Hi.
What's the problem?
Oh, it's cold.
Turn up the heat.
The heat doesn't work.
Well, what's wrong with it?
The dial's broken. It came off in my hand.
Well, that should do it.
We'll see. That window needs fixing too. It's stuck and it's letting the cold air in.
That should do it.
Thanks.
You're welcome.
At least it's warming up.
Yeah, but look around. The paint is cracked and peeling. The nightstand is scratched. The curtains are torn. And the rug is worn and dirty. Actually, this place is a dump. You know what? It's getting really warm in here. Norman didn't fix anything. He just turned the temperature way up, and now it's stuck on high. I can't turn the heat off.
Well, open the window.
I'm on it.
Ed, there's no water in here.
And I can't open this window. That does it. We're leaving.
Something the matter?
Everything's the matter. First of all, the thermostat is broken.
It's too hot now.
And the window is stuck, and there's no water. Everything needs to be fixed. me he's not strange.
Strange. He's out of his mind.